At the White House tonight, President Trump acknowledging health care premiums are about to skyrocket for more than 20 million Americans. The president was pressed, where is the plan from the White House or Congress before they go home for the holiday? And there's news tonight. The White House now says the famed Kennedy Center has been renamed the Trump Kennedy Center. Mary Bruce at the White House.
Tonight, President Trump making it clear he does not want to extend the expiring Affordable Care Act subsidies, which means in just 2 weeks, insurance premiums for millions of Americans will soar.
More than 20 million Americans are now bracing for their premiums to skyrocket. Are you going to let this happen, or will you intervene?
Yeah, they will skyrocket because it was never any good.
Reporters pressing again, what will happen to those 20 million Americans who rely on the expiring subsidies?
But do you want Congress to extend these ACA subsidies?
Well, I'd like that to be able to do it.
The president claims he somehow wants to bypass insurance companies to pay people directly, but he hasn't explained how or what this would mean for Americans' health care. And he has not released a health care plan of his own. During the campaign, he said he was working on one.
I have concepts of a plan. I'm not president right now.
Now, 11 months into his term, still no plan. Today, the president turning to one of his top health advisors, Dr. Mehmet Oz.
We have some ideas out there. Congress is working through some concepts.
Meantime, today, the White House with a different announcement. The board of the Kennedy Center, handpicked by the president, had voted to rename the performing arts institution the Trump Kennedy Center. Trump had already named himself chairman of the board, recently hosting the Kennedy Center honors.
A very big hello.
For months, Trump teasing putting his name on the building.
Some people refer to it as the Trump Kennedy Center, but we're not prepared to do that quite yet.
But today, he said he was surprised.
The board is a very distinguished board, most distinguished people in the country, and I was surprised by it. I was honored by it.
But David, legal experts we've talked to say the board can't actually make this name change, that it requires an act of Congress. But take a look at this on the website tonight. There's that new name anyways, the Trump Kennedy Center. David.
Mary Bruce at the White House again tonight. Thank you, Mary.